There are two main categories to earn PDUs: education and giving back. Education PDUs can be earned at professional seminars, webinars, classes, or even self-directed learning. Giving back to the profession PDUs can be earned through volunteering, mentoring, working with professional groups, and more. Each of these are the ways to earn PMP Renewal PDU hours. The following table summarizes the 11 ways to earn PMP Renewal PDUs. Let's go over the 11 ways of earning PMP PDUs now. First way, PMP Renewal PDU Courses. As we've highlighted in the table, PMP Renewal PDU course programs are the most popular way to earn PDUs among PMP-certified professionals. While there are several benefits of renewing PMP through PMP Renewal PDU courses, here are the top 5 reasons. 1. No caps. There is no maximum limit for the education category, so you can earn all 60 PMP PDUs in one program and renew your PMP. You do not need to go elsewhere to find additional PDUs. 2. Self-paced. You do not need to attend an event, conference, or seminar. You can follow the courses at your place, at your pace. 3. Affordable. Depending on the program content, you can enroll in a self-paced PMP Renewal PDU course bundle for $200 $300. However, seminars or conferences start from $1,000. Not only that, you cannot earn all PDU needs in one event. 4. Requires less effort. When you enroll in PMP Renewal PDU courses, all you have to do is follow the curriculum, earn PDUs, and renew your PMP. However, other PDU earning ways require significant effort from the PMP certification holders, such as creating content, sharing a presentation, volunteering, etc. 5. Less prone to PMI audit. Since the PDU training programs are used by many PMP-certified professionals, PMI already has a track and record of the activities. However, for other categories, PDU submissions are more unique and may be more likely to hit a PMI audit. PMI accepts instructor-led formal education courses or classes held in person or online. Here is a list of courses accepted by PMI as a source of PDUs. Virtual and in-person instructor-led courses from PMI training. Online courses are available on demand. Academic education through programs accredited by the PMI Global Accreditation Center, BAC. Training courses offered by PMI authorized training partners. Discipline Agile or PMP certification training courses offered by a PMI authorized training partner. Courses from other third-party providers. SFB's 60 PMP PDU course online program belongs to this category. San Francisco Business School offers a comprehensive 60 PMP PDU online course program. The program offers 3 self-paced business training programs: executive leadership, strategy creation and execution, and marketing strategy. For each course in the program, SFBS awards a certificate of graduation. While earning PDUs, you will earn reputable business merits to highlight in your resume and LinkedIn. You can find the links to this program in the description area of this video. Second way, attending global events. Several project management conferences, events, and activities are organized throughout the year. You can attend these events and earn PMP Renewal PDU credits. Typically, a one-day activity earns 6 PDUs. So, if you attended a 2-day event, you will earn around 12 PDUs. Attending global events has benefits like expanding your professional network and learning the changing trends in your domain. However, there are some pitfalls to these events. Typically organized in big cities. If you're living in a relatively smaller city, you might not see any events to earn PDUs. Requires in-person attendance. Many of the events take a few days, and you have to take days off from your work to attend these events. Expensive. Typically, these events are charged $1,000 per day. So, for a 2-day event, you need to pay around $2,000, Travel and accommodation, if needed, are not included in these fees. Does not earn 60 PDUs at once. Although it requires a significant amount of time and money, you cannot earn all 60 PDUs through one event. Considering you are a full-time working professional and looking to earn 60 PMP Renewal PDU hours in one step, we do not recommend this way for earning PDUs. Third way, local meetings. PMI has an extensive network in many countries and cities. In many major cities, there are PMI chapters, and they organize 1 to 2 hour events every month. Typically, one presenter talks about a topic for 1 to 2 hours, and the attendees follow the activity. These activities typically earn 1 to 2 PDUs. Fourth way, online or digital media. PMI accepts self-paced learning activities as a source of PDUs. You can find several PMP Renewal PDU programs online, while many of them offer limited PDUs. San Francisco Business School offers a self-paced free PMP PDU course online program as well. If you attend this program, you can earn 3 free PDUs and submit them in the online or digital media subcategory under the education category. You can find the links to this program in the description area of this video. Fifth way, reading. Self-directed reading relevant to the certification you hold can be claimed for PDUs. For instance, reading a project management-related blog, a business education blog, or a book can count PDUs toward renewing your PMP certification. 1 hour of reading counts as 1 PDU. However, everyone's reading pace is different. So, earning PMP Renewal PDUs through reading resources is not a crystal clear way to go. Sixth way, informal learning. You can earn PDUs by engaging in structured professional discussions with others, for example, mentoring or lunch and learn sessions. For instance, if you're giving a presentation to your colleagues about project management, you can submit this as PDUs. Important note, the 7th through 11th way of earning renewal PDUs below are under the giving back category. You can claim a maximum of 25 PDUs through giving back PDUs. 7th way, working as a practitioner. By working in your certified role, you can earn PDUs by applying your knowledge and skills in a practical setting. If you're working in a project management-related role, you can earn up to 8 PDUs as working as a practitioner. However, it has a limitation. PMI accepts a maximum of 8 PDUs in a 3-year cycle for the work as a practitioner category. After earning 8 PDUs under the working as a practitioner category, you will need additional PDUs to complete your 60 PMP PDU cycle. San Francisco Business School offers 45, 30, and 15 PDU programs as well. 45 PMP PDU program, 30 PMP PDU program, 15 PMP PDU program. If you need fewer than 60 PDUs, you can opt for one of these programs. 8th way, create content. Do you write articles or blogs? Give webinars? Make videos? Today's digital world is full of new content, and anything you create counts towards your RACE certification. Typically, you can submit PDUs for the hours you worked on project management content creation. For instance, if you wrote a blog post for an hour, you can claim 1 PDU in your PMI profile. Creating content is cumbersome. There are several aspects of curating quality content. If your profession involves creating content, it is fine. You can earn PMP Renewal PDU hours while you are working. However, just to earn PDUs, creating content is a tough path. 9th way, give a presentation. If you speak at your organization, at a PMI chapter event, or a conference, you can claim PDUs for it. For instance, if you gave a speech in a project management activity for an hour, you can submit 1 hour PDU for this activity in your PMI profile. While there are nearly 1 million PMP certified professionals, only a few thousand professionals could have earned PMP PDUs through this way. because giving a speech to top-notch professionals requires exclusive skills. Besides, you should be invited to these events as a speaker, so you can earn PDUs. 10th way, share knowledge. Others can benefit from your experience and knowledge. Keep track of the time you spend mentoring and teaching, and claim it towards recertification. An example of this can be sharing your knowledge in a discussion group at work. If you have a group of professionals sharing knowledge, if you attend those activities, you can claim PDUs. For instance, if you've explored the ways of using AI in project management and want to share this knowledge with your colleagues, you can earn PDUs through this activity. You can gather in a meeting room and share your knowledge with your colleagues. 11th way, volunteer. PMI is just one of many organizations that relies on volunteers. Why not become one and earn credit toward recertification in the process? You can search for volunteering options at the PMI website. Note that these activities may not be available in your location if you are living in a small city. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to receive new videos.